प्रभु जी, क्या कोई ऐड नहीं हुआ मेरा क्लास में?
ऐड नहीं हुआ,
कोई एक भी नहीं है।
डाल देता हूँ।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, अभी मैं क्लास से क्या करूं? मैं रुकना है क्या क्लास में? नहीं,
एक थोड़ा वेट करो।
वेट करो। चलो, मैं आपको कॉल के लिए वेट करेगा।
चलेगा, हाँ हाँ तुरंत।
ओके ओके। वेलकम अनुजा देशमुख। You are the only student added actually, so please wait better. We will wait for few more students to add. Okay, just like 5 minutes. Okay. First of all, am I audible beta आपको? Can you listen me? I think struggle हो रहे हैं. Am I audible? Shravan, welcome to the
Yes,
class.
sir.
Yes, okay, very good, very good. Just please wait for just like 5-6 minutes and then we'll start because many students need to add. Okay, please wait. Okay, children. I think today is first day, na? I think no one know about my class. So at least today is first day. So I don't want to do like disturb you all. So Deshmukh Anuja. So can you introduce yourself better? So only two students.
Yes,
Only you. You only have to speak.
yes, sir. Myself Anuja Deshmukh from Srirampur.
Sriram Nagar.
Srirampur, Ahmednagar
Oh,
district.
okay, okay. So, like, welcome to Chaitanya's. And what about Shravan? Shravan, better, can you speak? Are you there, Shravan? Shravan Nishikant. Shravan Nishikant Godse. Are you there, beta? I think he's also not there. He's not speaking, maybe. He's struggling. Sir, I am frequently getting disconnected. Okay. Will you do one thing better? Will you log out and log in? Please, otherwise I'll type it. I don't understand. So please. Oh, He's audible, I think so. I am audible, I think so. Log out, log in करो. Anuja, from which school you are from? You did your 10th in which school?
New English School.
Okay, okay, beta. Nice, nice. Yeah. Shravan, हो गया ना? Done? Now am I audible? Like range problem, everything is okay now? Yes, very nice. So can you please introduce yourself, which school you are from? You are from which school? From where you are exactly?
My hello, sir. Am I audible?
Beta. Yes, you are audible.
Myself Shravan Nishkan Godse. I am from Vaduz.
Hmm.
My previous school, Sunshine English Medium School, Khata.
Okay, okay, okay. Very nice.
Thank you.
Am I visible to you on the screen? Yeah, this is me, your biology teacher. Okay, I think 3 more students are also added. Yes, Anup. Anup, beta, are you? Can you listen me? My voice is audible. I think he's facing some issue. Amruta Naik. Am I audible to you, beta? Yes. So can you please introduce yourself? From which school you are? From where you are exactly?
Yes, sir.
Beta. Please introduce yourself.
I am Amrita Naik and I am from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Satara and I am from board CBSE.
Oh, nice, nice. Very good. And what about uh, Nitin Nimbalkar? Nitin Nimbalkar. So am I audible? Will you introduce yourself to the class? I think same. He's also facing some issue. He couldn't be able to speak. Who is this Pratap Sin? Pratap Sin, what do you call Malve? Pratap Sin Malve? Will you speak better? Will you introduce yourself? Same issue. He is also unable to speak. Chalo, bachcho. So myself, I am Kalyan and I am your biology teacher for you. By any chance, any one of you know me? Have you ever seen me? Like, have you ever heard of me? By any chance, anyone in the class know me? No, I think so. You're all from various places now. So I am your biology teacher, and along with me, one more teacher also will be there. Understanding it? So we will inform about the teacher on Thursday. Okay. Weekly 3 days I will take the class, and 3 days he will take the class. Okay. Because basically biology is a very like vast syllabus, very huge syllabus. 38 chapters are there. Some chapters I will take, some chapters he will take. Okay. Shall we start at least some introduction today, because first day ना ऐसा ही हम करेगा तो टाइम वेस्ट हो जाएगा. थोड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन करेगा हम बायोलॉजी के बारे में. चलो, we'll introduce what is biology and everything. Yes. Anyone in the class, can you tell me what is biology? बच्चों, biology मतलब what do you know about biology? First of all, what do you mean by biology? Anyone can tell me? Anuja, Nishikant, Anup, Amruta, Nitin Nimbalkar. Sir, I am only unable to see you in a small floating window. I am not visible. How come? I think I am visible only na. I am not visible to you. How come it has happened? No one can see me, बच्चों. इससे कैसे होता है? Sir, I got it now. The white screen is board. Okay, okay. No problem. No problem. So biology means, can anyone tell what is the meaning of biology? Whatever you know, you tell me, no issues. What do you mean by biology? Anyone?
Biology is something that the study of living organism.
Yes. So here, this you need to understand. Bios means life, and logos means to study. So studying about life. Sir, what is life? Life means all the living organisms, that may be plant or that may be animal or that may be microorganisms, anything, any living form, any living form का बारे में हम पढ़ा रहे, that means that is called as biology. Understanding it? Whereas you need to understand, biology is a very huge and big vertical branch, vertical science. Understanding it? That's why this biology we made into several branches. What are the branches, bachcho? मान लो, the branch of biology that deals with study of plants is called as, can anyone tell? Of course, if you don't tell, I am here to tell. You don't at all need to worry. Studying about plants, it is called as, read it. What is this? Botany. Understanding it? No. You are studying about some animals. मान लो, you are studying about some animals. And if you are studying about animals, then that is called as, what is this, bachcho? Zoology. Understanding it? No, you are studying about some microbes. Microbes मतलब पता है ना बच्चों? Bacteria, etc. Understanding it? Bacteria, mycoplasma, pleuropneumonia like organisms. These are all what? Microbes. Understanding it? No, you are studying about microbes. Then that is called as, can anyone tell? I will tell. Of course, if you don't worry. Yeah, someone gave the answer also. That is called as microbiology. It is called what? Microbiology. Understanding it? Whereas sorry, academy से बात कर रहे हैं, regarding only 6 students are added, remaining student convey the message I told. Sorry for the disturbance, sorry for that. Now you are studying about cell. So our body, it is made up of cell. पता है ना बच्चों? Your body, my body, everyone's body, it is made up of cell. And studying about cell, it is called as, can anyone tell? Of course, if you don't tell also, I'll tell. Yes, cell biology, or it is also called as cytology. You write anything, you are correct, I am also correct. Cytology, cell biology, दोनों correct बच्चों. Don't at all worry. Understanding it? No, you are studying about the transmission of characters from one generation to another generation. That means what? You are there. You are the output of your mother and father. That is the reason why sometimes you will behave like your father, sometimes you behave like your mother. It's very common बच्चों. Sometimes आपका घर में है ना, your mother or your father will scold. For example, in front of your father you are doing some masti, he will scold you. देखो तेरा बेटा ऐसा. For example, sometimes if you are making masti in front of mother, देखो तेरा बेटी ऐसा बोलता है ना. It's so common. Understanding it? So that means sometimes you behave like your father, sometimes you behave like your mother. You're understanding it? That means your characters are transferred from your mother, father to you. This process of transmission of characters from one generation to another generation is called as inheritance. Understood बच्चों? Inheritance समझ में ना? और एक बार बोलूं क्या? Shall I tell once again? Inheritance मतलब the process of transfer of transformation of characters from parents generation to the baby generation, then that is called as inheritance. बच्चों समझ में ना inheritance मतलब, और एक बार बोलूं क्या मैं? Is this clear? Yes. Okay. And this inheritance का बारे में if you are reading, then that is called as, what is this? Read it. Genetics. It is called as what, bachcho? Genetics. You're understanding it? So genetics is a branch of biology that deals with transfer of characters from one generation to another generation. मान लो इधर जगह नहीं है, मैं नीचे लिखता है बिकॉज इधर जगह नहीं है. मान लो you have taken one organism. You have taken one organism. Understanding it? मान लो this is an organism. Example के लिए बच्चों, I am telling only for your basic understanding, minimum understanding के लिए बोल रहे हैं. Understanding it or not? Now मान लो this is one organism. मान लो this organism is tall. मान लो this organism is having black hair. मान लो this organism is having what, black eyes. Understanding it? Whereas he is a little fat. That means I am explaining this body organism, but please understand bachcho, I am explaining this organism in terms of external characters, है ना बच्चों? So studying about external characters of any organism is called as, can anyone tell? Of course if you don't tell also don't worry, I am here to tell, but by any chance can anyone tell? Studying about external characters of an organism is called as, okay, I will tell. Read it. What is this? What is this bachcho? Something I wrote on the board. Morphology. What is that bachcho? Morphology. You're understanding it? No, studying about the internal structure of an organism. बच्चों internal structure मतलब, मान लो the same organism को you cut him, otherwise you cut his head. ये head का अंदर क्या है? Brain is there. Understanding it? And some muscles will be there. Am I correct or not? And some connective tissue like blood will be there. That means internally organism is made up of what? With what parts the organism is made up of. So studying about the studying about internal structure of an organism is called as, can anyone tell what is this? Bachcho, what is this bachcho? Can anyone tell? Anatomy. Called as what? Anatomy. Understanding it? Now studying about functioning of an organism. Functioning, that means एक आदमी का ब्रेन है, दैट ब्रेन कैसे काम कर रहे हैं? मान लो एक आदमी को डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम कैसे काम कर रहे हैं? मान लो सम एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम इज देयर, एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम कैसे काम करेगा? दैट मींस हाउ द various parts of an organism will work. Studying about the functioning of that particular organs or organ systems that are present in the body is called as physiology. बच्चों, you're understanding it or not? Any doubts? इधर तक मैं आगे जाएगा पक्का, but you have any doubts till now? बच्चों प्लीज फील फ्री. बायोलॉजी क्लास मतलब इट्स लाइक ए फैमिली. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? स्पेशली मेरा क्लास मतलब आई ऑलवेज ट्रीट यू लाइक माई चिल्ड्रन. ओके, सो डोंट हेजिटेट. कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है तो सर आपका लाइक आवाज नहीं आ रहे, नहीं तो राइटिंग समझ में कुछ भी है तो प्लीज बोलिए बच्चों, अच्छे से बोलिए. आई एक्सेप्ट, आई इन्वाइट ऑल योर डाउट्स. इधर तक कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या? आई एम जस्ट गिविंग सम इंट्रोडक्शन. एक सिर्फ थोड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे हैं बायोलॉजी के बारे में, थोड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे हैं बच्चों, इतना ही और कुछ भी नहीं. आई एम नॉट स्टार्टिंग एनी लेसन. ओके, लेसन के बारे में आफ्टर 2-3 days, आफ्टर एवरीवन जॉइन वी विल स्टार्ट. बट आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग मी? कुछ तो बोलिए बच्चों. में स्लो चल रहे हैं, फास्ट चल रहे हैं, मीडियम चल रहे हैं, क्या यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? Okay, at least one student, Nitin, he told yes. What about remaining students? Bouncers or क्या? You are not understanding? बच्चों ये सब साइलेंट बैठेगा तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा? अमृता इज सेइंग यस. चलो, if you really understanding it, studying about cell is called as dash. Can anyone answer? Wrong also, right also चलेगा बच्चों. Please, like है ना, एक कंफर्ट जोन डेवलप करो हमारा क्लास में. सर वी गॉट बैकग्राउंड नॉइसेस. बैकग्राउंड नॉइसेस, मेरा फ्लैट में कोई नहीं रहेगा. आई एम द ओनली वन. मैं अकेले हैं. मे बी सम प्रॉब्लम इन योर नेटवर्क का कुछ तो है, हो सकता है. निशिकांत, कैन यू प्लीज चेक योर नेटवर्क? बिकॉज माई वटिकल फ्लैट में कोई नहीं रहेगा. मेरा मम्मा पापा गांव में है एंड मैं अकेले. सो आई थिंक देर इज नो, आपका नेटवर्क में कुछ तो इश्यू होगा बेटा. रिफ्रेश करो दैट ऐप है ना, और एक बार रिफ्रेश करो, हो जाएगा, आपका काम हो जाएगा. सम रेवती, प्रवीण एंड ओम काड़े, they also joined our class. Welcome children, welcome to biology class and welcome to Chaitanya Academy also. So not that in your place there are noises. No problem from your side. Yeah, that only I'm telling. Maybe some network issue, will be there. So I asked one question. Studying about cell is called as dash cytology. Deshmukh finally gave the answer. Nice. That means you are understanding my class. I am thinking so. Very nice. Even Amruta also gave the answer, cytology. Very nice. Cytology, and some students they wrote cell biology. Bachcho, cytology, cell biology is same. You don't at all worry. Dono same. Okay. So studying about external characteristics of an organism. External characteristics, for example, I am there. मैं थोड़ा काला है, understanding it. और मुझे टकला भी है ना, understanding it. मैं टकला है. So studying about external characteristics is called as what? Morphology. Very good. Studying about internal structure is called as, studying about internal characteristics is called as dash बच्चों. Anatomy. Very good. And studying about the functioning of any organ or organ system is called as, एक organ है, brain is there, कैसे काम कर रहे हैं. Kidney is there, kidney कैसे काम कर रहे हैं. Liver is there, liver कैसे काम कर रहे हैं. That means studying about this is called as, any organ is called as physiology. Very nice. Very good बच्चों. That means you are understanding my class. Now let us take a very like a brief introduction, because first class है ना बच्चों, सारा बायोलॉजी एक ही दिन में आपका मन में भरेगा तो नेक्स्ट क्लास से नया आएगा. धीरे धीरे we will start. Today we will discuss about only 2 points and then we'll leave. फर्स्ट क्लास है ना, इतना चलेगा. सेकंड, थर्ड, ऐसा धीरे धीरे हम बढ़ेगा. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट. एक ही क्लास में पूरा का पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन आपको मन में नहीं डालेगा. आज सिर्फ 2 points, only 2 points. ओके, what is life? इतना है, that's it. Today we will take only 2 topics. Okay, first topic, what do you mean by life? Are you living बच्चों? आप जी रहे हैं ना? आप you're all जिंदा है ना? Then what is life? If you are living ना, see, मान लो if you are living, so obviously you must be knowing about life. What do you mean by life? All living organisms around us is life. Okay. nice. And but it's not that correct, but still you gave the answer. I'm so happy for that. Participation is important. Okay, or any other like ideas, opinions कुछ है क्या? What is life? No one don't have any outputs. Okay, at least you tell me, our body is made up of what? every organism, so not only our body, I am not talking about our body बच्चों, हर एक organism का body it is made up of what? Yes, cells. Perfect, very good. For example, if you take cell, understanding it, if you take an organism, if you take an organism, and organisms are made up of what? Cells. ये सब आपको पता है ना. Now if you take a cell, now what you do ना, you take one mortar. mortar पता है ना बच्चों आपको, mortar तो पता है ना, and pestle. mortar and pestle ऐसा ऐसा मम्मा है ना, अदरक एंड आल्सो लसन है ना, ऐसा 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 करता है ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज mortar and pestle. ऐसा 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 राउंड ऐसा ऐसा रहेगा, एंड शी विल होल्ड लाइक दिस एंड शी विल डू लाइक दिस, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज mortar and pestle. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट. एंड ए सेल है ना, एक mortar and pestle में you put and make it into paste, cell paste, दंतकांति पेस्ट जैसे you make what? Cell paste. Okay, you will get some paste. Now this paste में what you do ना, you observe this particular paste under microscope, then you can be able to see हमारा cell, again it is made up of various bio molecules. Understanding it? So again हमारा cell it is made up of various biomolecules like can anyone tell biomolecules like what? Carbohydrates. Understanding it? And some fats will be there, and mainly so many proteins are present. And the next one is what? Some nucleic acids. बच्चों न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स मतलब पता है? और shall I tell? न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स मतलब DNA and RNA. Understand? That means again our body it is made up of cells. Our body it is definitely made up of cells only, इसमें there is no doubt. But again हमारा cells are made up of what बच्चों? Various biomolecules. बच्चों समझ में आया ना? बच्चों tell me, our body it is made up of dash. Again our body it is made up of dash. Our body is made up of cells. Our cells are made up of, very good Nitin, yes. What are biomolecules? मुझे पता नहीं. What are biomolecules? मुझे पता ही नहीं. Can anyone tell me what is biomolecule? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and nucleic acids like DNA, RNA, these are all called as biomolecules. Understood बच्चों? Is this okay? Okay, no problems now. Now then what is life? What is life? Life is, बच्चों please understand, थोड़ा कुछ doubt है तो please ask. Life means it is unique combination. What is that? It is a unique combination of various biomolecules. Tell me बच्चों, life is a unique combination of various biomolecules which express themselves in form of various chemical reactions. That means life matlab, what is life बच्चों? Life is a unique combination of various biomolecules. वे हमारा body है ना, हमारा जिंदगी है ना, it is made up of cells, and the cells are again made up of various biomolecules, and these all biomolecules they are always participating in the chemical reactions. Understanding it? And due to the chemical reactions, sir, which chemical reactions? For digestion, for respiration, for excretion, for what breathing. Understanding it? So हमारा body में ना every time आप सोता है बच्चों, actually night 10 o'clock 10:30 obviously you will sleep, and maybe you are sleeping but your body का biomolecules they never sleep. मान लो आप 2 रोटी खा के सो गया, then who is doing it? आप तो सो गया, yes you slept, but your body is working. Who is working? Your body का अंदर biomolecules are participating in various chemical reactions and they are digesting the food you have eaten. That means you may take rest. मान लो आप थक गया, मान लो यू ट्रैवल्ड फॉर 2-3 hours बस में, दैट तो आपको बस में सीट भी नहीं मिला, एंड आप खड़ा है 2-3 घंटा, आप आज ऐसा ही खड़ा के वर्टिकल यू ट्रैवल्ड, ऑब्वियसली आदमी मतलब थक जाएगा बेटा, सो यू स्लेप्ट, एंड कैसे यू हैड अ ग्लास फुल ऑफ वाटर मिल्क एंड यू स्लेप्ट, अरे आप दूध पी के सो गया, बट स्टिल that milk what you have taken now, what you have consumed now, that will be digested. How it will be digested? That is due to the reactions that takes place between biomolecules in the name of digestion. बच्चों समझ में आ रहे हैं ना? So बच्चों, is this clear? Please tell me truth. So what is life बच्चों? What is life then? So आपको समझ, you told yes ना? Revati told yes. Understand? I think Praveen, Revati is surname, I think so. So Praveen said yes. But what as बच्चों life मतलब क्या है, बोलिए बेटा? What do you mean by life? Life is a unique, understanding it, life is really unique bachcho. It is a unique combination of various biomolecules which are expressing in form of various chemical reactions, and that expression of the biomolecules and that expression or the functionality of the biomolecules that are present in the body, that only you are calling it as life. Understood बच्चों? Any doubts? प्लीज टेल मी बच्चों, ऐसा साइलेंटली बैठेगा तो मुझे कुछ भी पता नहीं चलेगा ना, आपको समझ में आ रहे हैं नहीं समझ में आ रहे हैं, है ना? सो बोलिए, व्हाट इज लाइफ, समझ में है ना? अरे यू आर नॉट टेलिंग एनीथिंग क्या? ओके, अमृता इज टेलिंग एस. ओके, चलो अमृता, यू टोल्ड एस ना, सो कैन यू डिफाइन व्हाट इज लाइफ? बिकॉज no one are speaking, at least you speak. What do you okay, Nishikant is also telling understood. So Nishikant and Amrita, can you tell me what is life? Life मतलब anyone of you, can you
Yes, sir.
please tell me what is life? क्या समझ में है? Yeah, class, I am very new to you, that's why you are hesitating to speak, I think so. But whether I am new or whatever it may be, I am your teacher bachcho. I am your teacher, so you be, I am like your parent only, so you be comfortable with me. So I'm like how your father, like your mother, like that I'm your teacher, so be very comfortable and happy. So of course, see, मैं कितना भी बोलो, मैं नया आदमी है, so ये सब होता है कभी कभी, that feeling will be there, ये नया आदमी, so at least 2-3 दिन में थोड़ा get used to me, okay? You try to adjust in my class, okay? Life is a combination of various biomolecules which are expressed as various biomolecules. Okay, very nice. Who gave the answer? Nishikant gave the answer. Okay. Okay, can I take the next topic confidently? इधर तक any doubts are there? Can I move on बच्चों? Life is a combination of biomolecules and they express themselves as chemical reactions. Actually biomolecules are fats, carbohydrates and proteins. Very nice, very nice, very good. Okay, can I move on bachcho? Can I move on to the next topic? Yes. Sir, sorry, it's Shravan Nishikant. Sorry, it's Shravan Nishikant is my father's name. It's Shravan Nishikant is my, okay. Okay, Shravan, your name is Shravan. Okay beta, nice. Now see, I told what is life, and 2-3 students है ना, they gave the answer also. I am very happy that first class में you're answering. Usual first class में है ना थोड़ा silent रहता है बच्चों, because मैं बहुत new है ना, that's why you anyway students they will be quiet, but you answered मतलब I am very happy. Now any organism, if it wanted to maintain the life, बच्चों every organism wanted to maintain Am I correct or not? If any, for example, if I say, hey, I don't want my life, I want to die, matlab you will see me like a fool. Am I correct or not? मान लो, if I only say, hey, I don't have interest on my life यार, I want to die, ऐसा बोलेगा तो ऑब्वियसली आप क्या सोचते हैं मेरे बारे में? अरे यार ये आदमी पागल आदमी है, ऐसा सोचते हैं ना? एम आई करेक्ट और नॉट? सो लाइफ मतलब एवरी ऑर्गेनिज्म है ना, सर्टन लव विल बी देयर. आई वांटेड टू लिव and I wanted to do this, I wanted to become a doctor, I wanted to become an engineer, ऐसा some aims and aspirations will be there. Am I correct or not? That means every organism, if they are having life, that means they have to do something to maintain their life. Am I correct or not? See, you are there, you wanted to live, understanding it, that means you are doing something to maintain your life. What is that something, bachcho? Can anyone tell what is this? Can anyone tell what is this, bachcho? What is the something you are doing? That something is nothing but life process. Understanding it? So what are the things you are doing? Whatever the things you are doing to maintain your life. Understanding it? That all the processes are called as a life process. Sir, what are the life processes? One, if anyone wanted, you, me, anyone wanted to live, na, they wanted to eat. Understanding it? Without khana, you never be able to live. Understanding it? So, but biology में eating ऐसा लिखेगा तो चलता ही नहीं. Then what you have to write? न्यूट्रिशन. न्यूट्रिशन में मतलब मीनिंग मतलब ईटिंग ओनली बच्चों, बट बायोलॉजी में है ना ईटिंग, ड्रिंकिंग, स्लीपिंग नहीं चलेगा बच्चों. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू कॉल इट एज न्यूट्रिशन. And eating only, nutrition मतलब eating है बच्चों, nutrition मतलब eating only, but you have to call it as biology में nutrition. Okay? And खाना खाया, खाना खाने के बाद क्या होता है बच्चों हमारा बॉडी में? आप खाना खाया, you ate food ना, बाद में क्या मिलेगा, क्या हो जाएगा? That means soon after eating food you are going to what do you call, excrete, going to washroom, no, after eating the food, first of all it need to undergo digestion. Understanding it? So we'll get digestion, and after digestion, circulation. That food it has to reach to every part. हमारा हर एक पार्ट पूरा बॉडी का अंदर वो डाइजेस्टेड फूड हैज टू गो ना, एंड दैट के लिए उसको क्या चाहिए? सर्कुलेशन चाहिए बच्चों. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? एंड सर्कुलेशन के बाद व्हाट? रेस्पिरेशन. रेस्पिरेशन मतलब क्या है? खाना इट गिव्स एनर्जी. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? व्हेन द फूड इट इज गिविंग एनर्जी. आप खाना खाए ना, क्यों खा रहे बच्चों? आप खाना क्यों खा रहे? शक्तिमान करना होने के लिए. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? यू वांटेड टू बिकम शक्तिमान. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? सो दैट शक्ति कौन देता है? रेस्पिरेशन देता है बच्चों. समझ में? या एनीवन आर स्पीकिंग? कुछ डाउट्स है क्या? Someone on the mic and they started speaking and they stopped speaking. Why? I think by mistake happened. No problem. And आप कितना अच्छा भी खाना खाओ बच्चों, one thing you need to understand. You may think that I am having hygienic food, but food में some waste material will be there, and that waste material will spoil the body. That's why the waste should be eliminated out of the body, and that elimination it is called as what? What is that? Excretion. Understood बच्चों? Is this clear? So life process में what? Nutrition, digestion, circulation, respiration and excretion must be there. मान लो सर मुझे खाना खाना अच्छा नहीं लगता है सर, ऐसा चलेगा क्या? That means whether you like, whether you don't like, you have to eat. Am I correct or not बच्चों? आपको अच्छा लगेगा, अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, वो तो अलग का बात है, बट यू हैव टू ईट ना, बिकॉज यू हैव टू लिव. विदाउट ईटिंग विल यू बी एबल टू लिव? यू ओनली सी, आई एम नॉट आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम रॉकेट साइंस. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? बिग क्वेश्चन आई एम नॉट आस्किंग. सिंपल क्वेश्चन, विल यू बी एबल टू लिव विदाउट हैविंग फूड? इतना ही मेरा सिंपल क्वेश्चन. माई सिंपल क्वेश्चन, विल यू बी एबल? नो ना. सी यू गिव द आंसर. Shravan told the answer. Without having food you can't be able to live. That means here आपको ऑप्शन नहीं है. आपको अच्छा लगेगा, अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, ये सब आप करना ही करना है. Understanding it? And this compulsory processes are called as what, bachcho? This compulsory, any organism, if it wanted to maintain life, the compulsory processes are nothing but life processes. What are they? Nutrition, digestion, circulation, respiration and excretion. So these are compulsory बच्चों, ऑप्शन नहीं है. सर मुझे मुझे डाइजेशन मतलब बोरिंग जॉब है सर, मैं नहीं करेगा मतलब बच्चों आप खाना खाया, डाइजेशन नहीं हुआ, एनर्जी कैसे मिलेगा? आप ही बोलिए. सर एक्सक्रीशन सर मुझे बहुत शर्म है सर. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? नहीं मैं एक्सक्रीशन नहीं करेगा, ये सर मर जाएगा बच्चों. यू विल डाई. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? बिना एक्सक्रीशन आपका बॉडी में वेस्ट है ना, इट विल पूरा का पूरा आपका बॉडी स्पॉइल करेगा एंड वन डे और अदर डे यू विल डाई. दैट मीन्स सी, आपको शर्म लगेगा नहीं लगेगा, आपको अच्छा लगेगा नहीं तो बुरा लगेगा, वॉट एवर इट हैपन्स, यू हैव टू डू ऑल दिस पर्टिकुलर what functions, and these are all things you will collectively called as life process. बच्चों समझ में आया? Any doubts you want to ask me, please ask. Any doubt, feel free in the class, be happy in the class. Life process समझ में है ना? क्या नाराज हो गया क्या? नो वन आर आंसरिंग? नो डाउट्स बाय माय साइड. ओके, रिमाइनिंग बच्चों सुन रही है? एटलीस्ट यू आर लिसनिंग व्हाट एम आई टेलिंग? समझ में आ रही है? ऐसा बात नहीं करेगा तो कैसे चलेगा? ओके ओके. Pratap Singh, yes. Anuja, okay, yes, okay. Now today we will take the first life process. Okay, nutrition. What is nutrition bachcho? First life process. The first life process is nothing but nutrition. Can anyone, of course if you don't tell also I am here, you don't worry, I am here na. But what you know, you tell me at least. आपको न्यूट्रिशन मतलब क्या पता है? एटलीस्ट कुछ ना कुछ तो पता है ना. इतना सी एटलीस्ट 10th क्लास तक न्यूट्रिशन एटलीस्ट 1 or 2 times एटलीस्ट यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड. व्हाट इज न्यू? यस, intake of food. Yes, correct. So the process of intake, the process of what? Intake of nutrients. The process of intake of the nutrients in form of food. खाना का रूप में आप न्यूट्रिएंट्स ले रहे हैं. सो खाना का रूप में आप न्यूट्रिएंट्स ले रहे हैं ना, दैट इनटेक ऑफ द न्यूट्रिएंट्स इन फॉर्म ऑफ फूड इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूट्रिशन. बच्चों न्यूट्रिशन समझ में ना? समझ में ना? वेयर एज व्हाट आर न्यूट्रिएंट्स? न्यूट्रिएंट्स मतलब क्या बच्चों? न्यूट्रिएंट्स मतलब दीज आर द केमिकल substances. These are chemical substances which helps in growth and development. The chemical substances that helps in growth and development. मान लो आप है, you are there when you took birth, you are इतना छोटा baby, when आप ही है, खुद ही आप ही है. Understand? For example, Shravan is there, for example Pratap Singh is there, Anuja is there, Nishikanti, Shravan is there, Amrita is there. When you took birth बच्चों, you are इतना छोटा baby. Understanding it? We used to take in our palm. Understanding it or not? Very recently one of my friend got a boy baby. Understanding it? So my friend, obviously I have to see, because I nahi to mera upar wo gussa karega. So I all the way went and I have seen, and my friend hai na, he has given me that baby to me, that boy baby, and I holded that baby. Uska पूरा बॉडी है ना मेरा पाम जैसे है. मेरा पाम का साइज में है. ओनली हेड इतना है, मेरा पाम का हेड इतना छोटा हेड है, एंड 2 legs and दो hands they are coming out. That means आप इतना छोटा बच्चा हैं. Now you are इतना big ना. मान लो you must be 5 feet, 5.3 feet, 5.4 feet. इतना हाइट कैसे बढ़ गया बच्चों? You only tell me how you have grown. See, रॉकेट साइंस का क्वेश्चन तो मैं नहीं पूछा, सिर्फ सिंपल क्वेश्चन. यू आर इतना छोटा बेबी, व्हेन यू टुक बर्थ आप इतना बढ़ गया, लाइक 5.4, 5.5. हाउ? बाय न्यूट्रिशन, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट। आप खाना खाएगा तो आप व्हेन यू ईट फूड, आप नाउ यू ईट फूड ना, आप खाना खाने के बाद ये खाना है ना, इट विल गो टू द सेल। नाउ ये सेल है ना, बाय यूटिलाइजिंग दिस फूड इट अंडरगोस डिवीजन, उसको बोलता है सेल डिवीजन। बाय द सेल डिवीजन आपका ग्रोथ एंड डिवीजन टेक्स प्लेस, ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट विल टेक्स प्लेस। अंडरस्टूड बच्चों? सो न्यूट्रिशन मतलब taking the nutrients, understanding it in form of food. So then what are nutrients? Nutrients are the chemical substances that helps in what? Growth and development. बेटा समझ में है ना? Nutrients मतलब any doubts are there? Any doubts? Any doubts you can ask? No? Okay. Now just 1 second. I'll rub the board and I'll start. Okay. Yes. Nutrients. I told nutrients मतलब chemical substances that helps in growth and development. याद है ना? Such nutrients are of two types बच्चों. Can anyone tell what are the two types of nutrients? The first one is what? Macronutrients. And the second one is what? Micronutrients. So now tell me बच्चों, nutrients are how many types? Two types. What are they? Macronutrients and micronutrients. Sir, what are they? What do you mean? आप कुछ तो बोल रहे लेकिन हमको समझ में नहीं आ रहे. What you wanted to tell? I wanted to tell macronutrients मतलब these are the nutrients which are required in large quantities to your body. मान लो आप मेरा, आप obviously you are my children, understand it, you are my students मतलब you are like my children only. मान लो I called you for लंच, बेटा यू आर माई स्टूडेंट ना, सो टुडे मेरा घर पे कुछ तो फंक्शन चल रहे हैं, आप मेरा घर आओ खाने के लिए, आई आस्क्ड एंड यू केम, मैं आपको पाव रोटी दिया, हाँ इतना बड़ा थाली थाली लेके इसमें पाव रोटी दिया एंड एक बूंद का सब्जी दिया, विल इट बी सफिशिएंट फॉर यू? यू टेल मी, विल इट बी सफिशिएंट फॉर यू? पाव रोटी एक बूंद सब्जी, गाली देते हैं मुझे, एम आई करेक्ट और नॉट? Why? Matlab, see there are some nutrients which are required in large quantities. What are they? They are carbohydrates, understanding it, and fats and also proteins. ये हम थोड़ा ज्यादा खाना है, understanding it. हमको ये कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट्स एंड प्रोटीन्स का जरूर ज्यादा है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट, थोड़ा वो ज्यादा क्वांटिटी से हमको जरूर है, understanding it. That's why they are required in large quantities. They are called as macronutrients. समझ में ना macronutrients मतलब बच्चों? क्लियर है? क्लियर? yes, I told one, at least you tell second one. see एक तो मैंने बोला बच्चों, मैं आपके लिए एक तो बोला ना, देन व्हाट आर माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स, ये आप बोले ट्राई, सी ट्राई, इफ इट इज रॉन्ग मैं है ना करेक्ट करने के लिए, आपको करेक्ट करने में है, यस विटामिन्स आर देयर, yes vitamins. So the nutrients which are required very less to our body, what are the examples? For example Shravan hai na, Shravan he already gave the answer, what is that? Vitamins. And next one is what? Minerals, vitamins and minerals, and also what? Vitamins, minerals and fibers, understanding it. And these are what? Required very less in our body, understanding it. इतना ज्यादा विटामिन्स को जरूर नहीं है, विटामिन्स जरूर है लेकिन ज्यादा विटामिन्स जरूर नहीं है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट. मिनरल्स जरूर है बट ज्यादा मिनरल्स हमको जरूर नहीं है. फाइबर्स जरूर है, बिकॉज इफ फाइबर्स आर नॉट देयर है ना, हमारा बॉडी में क्लीनिंग नहीं होता है. फाइबर्स आर मेंट फॉर क्लीनिंग, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट और नॉट. सो दैट फाइबर्स आर नॉट देयर, तो हमको काम नहीं होगा, बट दे आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इन लार्ज क्वांटिटीज. बच्चों समझ में ना? सो दीज आर व्हाट बच्चों, बिकॉज दे आर रिक्वायर्ड इन स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स. समझ में ना चिल्ड्रन? मेरा बच्चों समझ में है? यस, ओके. सो ए ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन, फर्स्ट डे क्लास है ना बच्चों, दिस इज फर्स्ट डे, दैट्स वाई मैं इससे आगे जाने के लिए वटेगल मुझे नहीं लग रहा है क्योंकि ना हेवी हो जाएगा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट डे इतना चलेगा. एनी डाउट्स यू प्लीज आस्क, एनी डाउट्स, एनी छोटा बड़ा डाउट, एनी डाउट्स? You ask. And first of all, before asking doubts, and how did you feel my class? You are comfortable in my class? Like मैं आपको मैं क्या क्या बोल रहा है आपको, like you are clearly understanding ना? कुछ दिक्कत हुआ क्या सर? आप बहुत स्लो जा रहे हैं सर, बहुत फास्ट जा रहे हैं, नहीं तो एनी इश्यू सर देर? यू आर ओके ना, कंफर्टेबल ना? मेरा क्लास कभी भी ऐसा ही रहेगा, आपको 2 साल में पढ़ाएगा, यू विल बी विथ मी फॉर 2 years, एंड मेरा पूरा 2 साल ये क्लास कैसे है, लास्ट क्लास ऑल्सो विल बी लाइक दैट ओनली. ओके, सो एनी डाउट्स बेटा? आज का क्लास में कुछ कुछ भी डाउट, छोटा बड़ा, एनी डाउट प्लीज आस्क. Okay, you are not asking any doubts, मतलब you must have understood. Sir, fibers बच्चों, fibers मतलब these are micronutrients. For example, I'll tell you very easily, I'll tell you. मान लो you are having some fruits. मान लो you are having some fruits. In that fruits में there are some hard particles will be there. For example, बच्चों चीकू खाता है ना आप? चीकू, that brown color fruit, इसमें खसखस जैसे एक small particles, hard particles are there. Did you notice it or not? है ना? Did you notice it or not? Hard particles will be there. Chiku, that brown color fruit, you're understanding it? So these are hard particles bachcho. So fibers are nothing but they are the undigested particles, that means they won't be digested, which helps in the cleaning of our intestine. The particles helps in cleaning of the intestine is called as fibers. Understood बच्चों? सर फाइबर्स हम खाएगा तो, हम नहीं खाएगा तो क्या होगा बच्चों? डोंट टेक मी रॉन्ग, यू विल गेट कॉन्स्टिपेशन. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? मान लो इफ यू डोंट हैव फाइबर्स, दैट मीन्स अच्छा से फ्रूट्स, अच्छा से व्हाट यू कॉल लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, अच्छा से व्हाट यू कॉल, इफ यू डोंट ईट, अंडरस्टैंड दैट हार्ड पार्ट, दैट व्हाट यू कॉल दैट अनडाइजेस्टेड पार्टिकल्स, इफ यू डोंट टेक ना, एंड आपका बॉडी में क्लीनिंग नहीं होता है, एंड यू विल बी फेसिंग द प्रॉब्लम कॉल्ड कॉन्स्टिपेशन. समझ में ना? फाइबर समझ में ना बच्चों? और एक बार बोलो क्या? फाइबर समझ में? यस. ओके, और कुछ एनी डाउट्स आर देयर बच्चों? और कुछ नो? ओके, यू आर नॉट टेलिंग, मतलब यू मस्ट नॉट बी हैविंग एनी डाउट्स. चलो, सो टुडे इज द फर्स्ट क्लास बच्चों, सो आई एम स्टॉपिंग विद दिस. tomorrow I'll tell what is digestion, what is what again respiration मतलब क्या है, circulation मतलब क्या है, everything I'll explain. Okay बच्चों, so today is the first class, so I will stop it here because first class में only everything if I put on your head ना, next class onwards मेरा class 0, no one will attend my class. so इतना चलेगा first class में, चलेगा. we'll meet tomorrow बच्चों. okay, बाय बाय चिल्ड्रन, हम कल मिलेगा. एंड कल से मेरा क्लास 11:30 बच्चों, मेरा क्लास 11:30 टू 1 बजे तक रहेगा. 11:30 टू 1 मेरा क्लास का टाइमिंग, 11:30 टू 1 o'clock मेरा क्लास टाइमिंग है. ओके ओके चिल्ड्रन, बाय. कैन आई टेक लीव और यू वांटेड टू आस्क समथिंग, एनी डाउट्स? ऐसा ऐसा कुछ है क्या? कैन आई टेक लीव? चलो बाय चिल्ड्रन, बाय.